At Sigmatek, we believe SigmaMRP will add value to your quoting and production operation in a couple key ways. We can give you greater flexibility in your workflow, and we can give you greater accuracy in your quoting. We'll start by creating a new job in SigmaNest. We'll select the customer for the job, and if we know other details like due date, we can input those now. Line items can be added to the job in multiple ways. Adding assemblies is one way. These assemblies can be created in MRP, or they can be imported directly from SolidWorks. And then all the parts required to produce that assembly will be added into the job. Now let's jump back into the SigmaNest workspace so that we can nest these parts to get a nested cost. We can also import additional parts or import any kind of CAD file that SigmaNest offers. We can quickly group these parts and nest them to get an accurate nested cost. We have parts from different materials and different thicknesses, so they're all nested according to their material and thickness. And now we can return to the job. Now let's look at some of the flexibility provided by SigmaMRP. SigmaMRP gives us full control over things like costing, pricing, markups, gross profit margin. It also allows us to add and remove operations. So for example, this part, if we want to add a bending operation, we simply add a bending operation, give it amount of time to complete the bends. Scripts can also be used to automate this process. We have options to do things like alter price. Instead of $79 and change, I want to just set the price of the part to $85. And when we're ready to send this to a customer, we can just change the job to quote status, and then we can view a report that goes out to our customers. When we win the job, we can change the due date to when the customer needs the parts. And then we can schedule the job to see if our production will allow us to meet that due date. We can schedule forward or backward. We'll schedule forward for now. And then on a refresh, we can see we get the green light that says we can make the order due date. Next, we have the option of raising a draft purchase order to send to our purchasing department in case there's material that needs to be purchased. And then the purchasing department can either put those purchase orders together, reject them, do whatever they need to with the purchase orders. And then we can convert the job to an order. We'll get a report. So we'll preview the report that goes out to our customer. We can email it, save it, and then we're prompted to generate the SigmaNest work order. So this creates a work order in SigmaNest so the parts can be processed. In just a few moments, we can deliver a highly accurate quote according to how your business operates.